Welcome in aptitude class. My name is Mani Joshi. Today I will learn partnership. This is common for all entrance exam like IAS, IES, GATE, CDS, GRE, IIT, JE, CAT and all UPSC exam. Do not miss the class if you want success in your life. Thanks to listen.
This is the partnership lecture part number 4, and already we have solved a lot of questions. You must go at first in the ratio and proportion. This here we have uploaded total number of 10 lecture. Then after then we are solving some questions. These questions it has come in your previous year exam. This is coming under the partnership. This is the name of the chapter. Okay, so these question it has come. The first question is: A began a business with rupees 450. Okay, A began a business with 450 rupees. Okay, and was joined afterward B, and B joined with rupees 300 rupees. When did B join? Now he is asking, when did B join if the profit at the end of the year were divided in a ratio 2:1? Okay, that is a very different question. So very simple. So suppose we will write, suppose B joined the business for X month. Okay, we don't know. So let we are taking this is for X month. So your answer, it means that this person he has given this money for 12 month, and afterward B joined. So this person he has given the money for 12 month, and this B he has given this money for X month. After then your ratio it is becoming 1/2. Very simple. Now cross multiply and solve it. Very simple. So your X it will be 450 into 12 into 2 upon 300. You can cut, and 3 4 ja 12, and if you multiply 4 2 ja 8, so you will get this 4 2 ja 8, 5 8 ja 40. Okay, and 5 5 8 ja 40. Okay, and 8 4 ja 32, 33 34 35 36 36. So your answer is just different. So this is 360. 450 into 12, we have done something wrong. Okay, this is 300. Okay, that is correct. 450 into 12, and this is 2 ratio. Okay, this is your answer. So now your X is 360, but this is a very big value. Okay, see what is 360? Okay, we will solve after some time this question. At first we are coming here, we will explain after some time. There is something wrong. Okay, we have done something wrong here. That is 2:1. That is not 1:2. Okay, we have done this wrong. This is 2/1. Okay, so your calculation it will be we have done something wrong here. We are solving here. Your value, this is 450 into 12 upon, this is 300 into X. This is 2/1. This is not 1/2. Okay, we have done this, we have done wrong. This is 2/1. Okay, now during exam you will not do such type of activity, otherwise you will fail. Okay, you have to remember. So this is very important. Whenever you are reading, clearly you must read everything. Okay, so now if you will multiply 450 into 12, this is 300 into X into 2. So your X is equal to 450 into 12 upon 300 into 2. So now you can solve it. 2 6 are 12, 0 0 cancel, and 5 9 are 45, 5 6 are 30, and 6 and 6 cancel, 9. 9 means that is month, it is 9 month, means x is equal to 9 month. Okay. This is your answer. So it means that therefore B joined after 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 month. He is asking when he joined. He joined after 3 month. He joined not after 9 month. He is asking when did B join, means 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Okay. This money he put for 9 month. It means that he joined after 3 month. Okay. You must understand. A start the business, after 3 month B joined. Okay. So this is a very important question. Now the second question number B, he is asking A and B rent a pasture for 10 month. Okay. Okay, you have given rent. Okay, for 10 month. A puts in 100 cows for 8 month. How many can be put in for the remaining 2 months if he pays half as much again as A? Very good, means good question actually. Okay, so now suppose we are taking, suppose B puts in X cows. Okay, so the ratio of A and B rent, that will be 1:1 plus 1/2. Okay, this is 1:3/2, and this is 2:3. How we have written it? He has written A and B rent a pasture for 10 months. Okay, A puts in 100 cows for 8 months. Okay, how many can B puts in for the remaining 2 months if he pays half as much as A? If A has given 1, then he has given A, means 1 plus half. You must understand it. What is the meaning of this? If he pays half as much again as A, whatever A has given, he has to pay half as much as A, means 1:1 plus 1/2, half. Okay, this is for B and this is for A. If A put 1, then he put 1 plus 1/2, half as much as A. Okay, this is the meaning. So this 2 1 2 and plus 1 3. Then after then he multiplied by 2, then 2:3, or that is the ratio for A ratio B. Okay, now we have to find then 100, he has given 100 cows for 10 months. Okay, he has given 100 cow for 10 month, parcel for 10 month. Okay, sorry, this is A ratio B rent a parcel for 10 month. A puts 10 cows for 8 months. Sorry, he puts 10 cows for 8 month. This is for 8 month. Now this person, how many can be puts for the remaining 2 month? So this is 2 month, and suppose he has given for X, suppose he has given X cows. Okay, so your ratio, this ratio is 2:3. So your ratio is 2:3. I think that you understand. A and B put, this is a total month, 10 month. A puts 100 cows for 8 month. Okay, how many can be put? Let this is X for remaining 2 month. For 2 month, so the ratio will become this. Ratio is this. Very simple. Now you have to multiply, cross multiply. So 100 into 8 into 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into x. So your x is equal to 100 into 8 into 3 upon 2 into 2. If you will solve, then your answer, you can divide it, this is 50 and this is also 25, then 25 into 8 into 3. Okay, so you will get, this is 600 COWS. That is the answer. I think that you understand. If you have any query or any comment, and if you have any questions in your mind, you must write in the comment box. Okay, we will also try to solve. We will also upload more videos for your success. Okay, thank you so much.
Friends, if you like the lecture, then please like, subscribe, share. Thanks.